If you want a cooked meal when you're out and about or at the campsite, you don't need to settle for sausages. Inside the rugged carry case, you'll find the stove itself, as well as a deep-walled and non-stick Teflon-coated frying pan, which slots into place over the ribbon-style gas burner. Not only that, but this great little stove comes with a tempered glass lid, so you can cook faster and cleaner. The reliable Piezo ignition is built into the variable heat control knob, so with a quick twist, you'll be cooking with gas. With the massive 8,000 BTUs of heat output at the maximum setting, you really will be cooking. Even on the lowest setting, it'll take a strong gust of wind to extinguish the flames, owing to the recessed burner and clever heat shielding. This burner comes with a 2-stage dual safety cutoff control, which most importantly meets AGA approval number 8585, so you know it's safe. If you want to extend your menu when you're on the road or at the campsite, then as the name would suggest, do it with the Ryder Banquet Frypan.